Go bright and take flight with Legends Evolved Dragon and Viking toys. You've never seen dragons like this before. Now buckle up for some legendary adventures. Set down at the marina, bud. I'm excited for our picnic sale, Astrid.
Me too. I even packed your favorite lunch, turkey Sammy's and tomato soup.
Delicious.
Oh no, a storm is coming.
It's still pretty far.
I think we better hop to it if we're gonna have our picnic before the storm rolls in.
Don't worry, bud. We'll be back soon. Hoist the sail! It's nice out here. Fresh air, calm water, and...
Whoa! The wind is picking up.
we won't let it ruin our picnic sail. Let's eat. Oh no!
I expected to eat my lunch, not wear it.
You know what? Still not gonna let it ruin our time. We just eat and enjoy before we... Watch your head.
Whoa!
And there goes the mainsail.
Well, that's not good. What do we do now?
Batten down the hatches, Astrid. I'm afraid we're in for a bumpy ride. That storm isn't so far away anymore.
I've got an idea. The picnic blanket. We can use that as a sail to get back home.
Great idea, Astrid. Okay, just have to tie it on... Whoops! The wind was too much, Astrid. It blew out of my hands.
Well, it's no use, Hiccup. We're stuck out here.
Maybe not. Look!
Toothless! Stormfly!
Hey, bud. We're stuck out here without a sail. Any idea how to get us back to land?
Look! They're using their wings as sails!
Woohoo! Well, I have to say, I've never had a picnic like that before.
Definitely memorable. But I'm still wondering, how did the dragons know where to find us?
Looks like they followed the smell of our lunch. Well, you guys earned it. Dig in.
How about we try to do a picnic again tomorrow?
Turkey Sammy's and tomato soup?
Yep, but this time on dry land.
The adventure never ends with Legends Evolved Dragon and Viking toys. Just wait till you see what fun they have next time.